Well, a good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. And I hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, rain. And it looked like it's finna rain again. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is I'm going to show you a few things that I've been working on. Haven't been able to do much here lately because it has been raining dang near every day for the last 2 weeks. So give me a second and I'm finna show you. Dan, what you got going on over now? Well, I'm here to tell you, I had quite a few people comment on my fig trees. I have a few fig trees over here, one brand new one and some old ones that have been on the property since I bought it. I don't really like messing with that one all that much because there's some poison ivy in there. Old Dan don't mess with no poison ivy. I could just think about it and I start itching. Let me show you this. I got in here and I actually did a bunch of pruning and cutting. And this is what I was left with. There was actually a lot of little bitty small fig trees growing up in here, and I'm pretty glad that I was able to save them. What I'll do is I'll put up some pictures. It started raining and I was out here working in the rain, but I'll put these pictures up now just to show you what I cut down. But this is what I'm left with, and believe it or not, I don't know what's going on with this guy right here. Oh, why he won't stand up straight. Maybe I could just bunch him in there or mix him in here with some of these other smaller branches and maybe that'll keep him up. I don't know. Well, maybe not. But the cool part is these guys are still putting off figs. So I'm happy to see that. I was actually able to save this fig tree. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is like a turkey fig, but it's got figs all over it. So maybe we'll be able to make us some fig jam. But I'm here to tell you this guy was a mess. It had stuff just growing up all in it and around it. But I was able to cut all of that stuff out and hopefully give this guy a lot more light and allow it to grow once again. So that was one of the big things that I messed with during the week. Well, here, I can show you this. See, that's all the stuff that I actually cut out. Oop, it's starting to sprinkle too. See, this guy's like 2 inches in diameter. They had trees growing up all in this stuff. So again, that's something I worked on during the week when I got off of work. I may tackle this guy, I'm not really sure. I may have to spray it because I just don't do poison ivy. Let me show you a few more things. Give y'all a little shot of the corn that I have grown in the 16-foot raised beds, and look at all of those pretty blooms on those camelopes. Look at all them pole beans. Them jokers are sure enough climbing. I've been coming out here and bending them around, bending them over, getting them to go back down and grow. But there are a bunch of blooms on these guys. So I'm looking forward to seeing some pole beans here pretty soon. All right, let me show you this one last thing because I'm gonna have to get inside because it looks like it's starting to sprinkle now. But this is something that has really, really surprised me. DJ and I actually got out here and replanted it. Check this out. Rose of Sharon. And that is something really nice to see. I've never seen one of these things grow for myself, but look at her. I don't remember who sent me the Rose of Sharon seeds, but it was probably about 2.5, 3 years ago. I planted these guys, they grew and kind of looked like this from seed, but they never did put off any flowers till I saw this guy right here. And there's like little pods, little, I guess, flower pods all over it. So DJ and I replanted this guy and I watered it down with some Miracle Grow Bloom Buster. I think that's what it's called. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens. But that's really cool. After 3 years, or 2.5, close to 3 years, it has finally started putting off some flowers. So hopefully this thing will get tall. I'm really looking forward to seeing what this thing does. So y'all, this is gonna be a short video. I got a bunch of other things I need to get done today before the sun goes down, and hopefully before the rain starts. But I just wanted to share that with you and y'all. Got a few things going on, just never have time to do anything anymore. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homestead channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. I'm trying to do stuff. That being said, you know it's coming down reference show enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, you sure enough get your shine on. Be you, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.